Here we have a Plantronics BackBeat Pro 2 headphones. We're going to show you how to replace the ear pads. Included in our kit is a tool that can be used to pry up the ear pads from the ear cup. Here are our Central Sound replacement ear pads, which are very much similar to the OEM original ear pads that are on the headphones when bought. As you can see, the comparison, virtually no difference whatsoever. First thing you would do is pry up the ear pad. You will hear a click sound when it becomes loose. Usually if you get one side, the other side pops right out. As you can see, there's 4 clips that hold the ear pad in place, and there's 4 slots on the ear cup. So when you're installing the new ear pad, you want to make sure that those 4 clips are aligned. And once they're in place, you gently press on the ear pad and clip the ear pad into the ear cup. Test to make sure that it's secure. You can purchase a pair of replacement ear pads at centralsound.co.